Hey everybody, Gary with Basecamp Trading. Let's take a look at a nice short setup we had in gold this morning. You can see that gold had been pushing up and then we left this topping tail in the shooting star. The bar opened right here, pushed up, sellers stepped in, pushed price down, and then actually closed the body of the bar. The whole body of the bar was also selling. That's a very bearish pattern. So at this point in time, we're thinking that we want to start looking for shorts in gold. And as you can see, the very next bar triggered the low of this bar, pushed on down, caused the 5 to cross the 13, and continued to push lower, which just kept giving us confidence to stay in our trade to the short side. Finally, we did hit significantly undervalued, and at that point, we know that we can expect consolidation, pullback, or even possibly a reversal, and it's a good time to start taking profits. And this is what that looked like on the Unarenko chart. Again, Unarenko chart is our primary trading chart. When we set up that shooting star, we were also setting up a trend reversal breakout to the downside on the Unarenko chart. You can see that we were in an uptrend, making higher highs, higher lows, and then we put in this double top right here, and we put in a pivot. Now this pivot is not a lower pivot low. Previous pivot low was back here, but it was a pivot. And while this wasn't a lower pivot high, typically on a trend reversal breakout, we want to see a pivot, then a lower pivot high, followed by a break to the downside. This was a double top right here. And at the same time, when we were breaking below this previous pivot low right here at 1574.10, we were triggering that shooting star on the 30-minute chart. Price continued to push lower. We hit a little consolidation area. At this time, that other bar was pushing down is a very bearish 30-minute bar. And again, 30-minute chart just had us holding our short position as we continued to travel on down. We had a trail stop failure here, trail stop failure here, and both times we were triggering the low of the previous 30-minute bar, and gold just continued to work its way down. Again, a trail stop failure is off of our Trender Pro indicator. This is our trail stop bar. If the next bar closes up, often that's where we look to get out of our position. But when the next bar closes down, often these lead to a continuation in the direction that we're trading. You can see we had another trail stop failure here, and that led to a continuation. We had another small one here. At this point, we're extended, hitting significantly undervalued on our 30-minute chart. And then we actually had our trail stop take us out right in here. But we had a nice push down in gold. This bar actually triggered underneath 1574.10. Our trail stop took us out here at 67.20. So again, a really nice push down in gold this morning.